Let's proceed with another great alternative, a framework called Farmer. Basically, it will transform F# code to IRM template and then deploy it to Azure. I will make a very short demo on this. As you can see on the screen, it's functional style. It can be visualized with IRM template visualizer, and you have a QR code to visit GitHub repository of Compositional IT, the authors of this framework. And you can also subscribe for Isaac Abraham Twitter to follow the Farmer news. Obviously it's more expensive than Pulumi, but it's still great thing, and this is something that should be used if your developers are keen to write software in F#. F# community is strong, and it's actually fun to write the code in F#, including your infrastructure. Yes, with Pulumi you can also write an F#, but I think it's a better alternative if you're into functional programming. So let's begin with a short demo on Farmer. Let's create a new console application. Let's add a Farmer package. Now it's added, and we can open our program FS. So let's add the web application and let's deploy it to Azure. Let's include Farmer first. My message web app, deployment equals ARM, location North Europe, deployment, deploy.execute, res group message, deploy, no parameters. Let's save it. And let's do .NET run. As you can see, deployment is underway. I'm already logged into my Azure subscription, and as you can see, here is the Farmer folder created, and here is our generated IRM template. And now, as you can see, our resource group is there, and we have our new bright and shiny web application running. So as you can see, it's working, and you can use F# to create your Azure infrastructure. So let's continue to the end section of my talk. So what's next? What will happen with infrastructure as a code in future, and what's happening now? Writing infrastructure as a code, it's a great idea, but actually there is an even better one. The idea to create a diagram of your solution and then automatically deploy it to the Azure. And this concept of creating and keeping infrastructure schema up to date is just brilliant. This way you will remove the layer of infrastructure abstraction from developer responsibility, and one solution architect can maintain a project schema and create and deploy configuration adjustments on demand. And I think in coming year we will see more solutions like Brainboard. You can actually subscribe and start using it right now. So I think the next big solution will be fusion between diagramming software and infrastructure as a code transpiler. So we'll see what will happen.